In a major step toward improving access to quality education, construction has begun on a new 6-unit classroom block at TSITO Methodist Basic. Aiming to provide a more conducive learning environment for students, the project funded by DCE, Honorable MP, and the government is expected to benefit learners and marks a significant investment in the future of communities' children. Community leaders, facilitators, and parents have hailed the initiative as timely response to the growing demand for educational infrastructure. Speaking with the Assembly member, Honorable Captain Noble Kwao, indeed, education is a shared responsibility, and it is part of his vision statement that TSITO Methodist JHS School block is dilapidated. The school is over 65 years and the facility is not befitting purpose for our younger ones to live in. Security-wise, it poses threats to the students' body and teachers. We lobbied for this through the district assembly during previous government, but it couldn't materialize. The former DCE tried for the old structure to be pulled down for new one to be put up before they existed power. Thankfully, the NDC has assumed office with our dynamic DCE supported by Honorable Emmanuel Kesi Bedra, a very dynamic MP for Whole West, including himself, the assembly member. They lobbied for it, and by the grace of God today is the groundbreaking ceremony. TSITO Methodist has been deprived so many years. It has been the cry of the teachers, students' body, and parents anytime we go for PTA meetings. We intended demolishing the old structure, but Honorable Bedra has given us commitment that he went through the school, so he has taken it upon himself to renovate, give it a facelift, to be used for other issues of the school. The ICT lab that the PTA has begun, the MP promised to roof it, plastering and any other ancillary work that needs to be done. All thanks to Honorable Bedra and also the Honorable DCE Prophet for committing the funds that TSITO Methodist needed this infrastructure, which is vital for a conducive environment for the students and teachers.
This is the Honorable Assembly Member for TSITO Anyigbe, Honorable Captain Noble Mauli Kwao. To be sincere with you, education is a shared responsibility. And then when we're talking about school infrastructure, it is part of my vision statement that TSITO Methodist JHS, the school block is dilapidated. This school here, as you can see behind me, or at my side, is over 65 years old. The facility is not befitting a purpose for our younger ones to be in. Security-wise, it poses threat to the student body and then the teaching staff as well. So we've been lobbying for this project in the time past. The previous government, we lobbied through the district assembly. It couldn't materialize. The former DCE and his entourage were at site. We inspected the whole thing. We came to an agreement that the structure should be pulled down and then a new one be put at place. But that couldn't come on before they exited power. Thankfully, the new NDC has assumed office. And then we have a very dynamic DCE supported by our Honorable Emmanuel Kesi Bedra, a very dynamic MP for Whole West. And then me, myself, the assembly member, we lobbied, and then, thanks be to God, today we have had the privilege of doing the groundbreaking ceremony.
According to Tekwe Richard, he has been in the school for over 7 years, teaching inter-science and mathematics. When he was first posted to the school, upon arrival, he almost called for reposting because the infrastructure does not befit the school. All thanks to the DC and the Honorable MP, the church community, and everyone who has fought hard for this project, and is long overdue. This project is going to improve teaching and learning because we have won titles in the old one, and we will do better with the modern way of teaching.
To grant this interview. I think I've been in this school for over 7 years now. My name is Tekwe Richard. I teach integrated science and mathematics. You know, when I was first posted to this school, when I saw the block, I nearly called for reposting because the infrastructure does not befit the school. So I will say that first of all, we want to thank the DC, our honorable MP too, the church community, and also for everyone who has fought hard for this project to come to us. It is long overdue. You know, there is this competition we have been going. Last year, we won the regional championship. We call it the National Genius Challenge. When we won the regional championship, when the people were passing by to check on us, when they saw the infrastructure, they were shocked that with this infrastructure and we were able to defeat whole Polytechnic Basic School, what's the name? Garrison Basic School. We defeated them all. So I would say that we thank everyone for bringing this project to us.
Speaking with the foreman of the project, Mr. Winfred Yaudede, from the Fanofil company, he said the assembly has given 6 months to complete the project. But according to the contractor, we should expect a complete structure within 4 months.
Winfred Yaudede, company, and Fanofil. Assembly ko dogele nimi be mi away within 6 months. Aka contractor promise by le pengu senwa na within 4 months la they completed handover.
Work proceeds today. The construction of the classroom block marks significant step forward improving the learning environment and expanding educational opportunities for students. Reporting, Grace Emerald Agboja for Palm TV News.